Have you been disqualified for maximum units, meaning you completed more than 72 units at a community college or received an associate's degree? Not sure what to do next? Learn what that means and how to regain your eligibility in this detailed video.
How to fill out a max timeframe appeal form. Student information. Please provide your first and last name and read this section carefully. You must schedule an appointment with an academic counselor to create a comprehensive educational plan. It is very important that you let your counselor know that your plan needs to be a comprehensive educational plan. If your educational plan is abbreviated, it will prevent your appeal from moving forward to the appeal committee for consideration. Pay close attention to the appeal deadline that is provided and applies to the correct semester you are submitting. Part 1 of this form is the special circumstance statement and documentation. In this section, you will explain why you have not completed your education goal and why you need more time. Make sure to include any extenuating circumstances that have happened and have made it difficult for you to finish your education goal within the allowed time frame. Also, you will explain what has changed in your situation that will allow you to demonstrate good progress at the next evaluation. Please provide as much supporting documentation as possible to help the appeal committee decide in your favor. Provide a detailed explanation of your extenuating circumstances. An explanation with 1 or 2 sentences may not help the appeal committee understand and consider your appeal situation. They may ask for additional information or may deny your appeal. It is extremely important for you to provide supporting documents that are relevant to your situation. Having supporting documents may help increase your chance of getting your appeal approved. Part 2. Academic Plan. In this section, answer the questions regarding your educational goal, major, and anticipated graduation date from Coastline. Please make sure not to leave anything blank in this section. If you're unsure, schedule an appointment and discuss it with your academic counselor as soon as possible. Part 3. Student Agreement. Please make sure to read each statement carefully and enter your initials. Contact the financial aid office for clarification if you don't understand something. Before submitting your appeal, check to see if you have attached or uploaded your supporting documents and sign your appeal form. What happens next? Once you submit your appeal form, it will take 2 to 4 weeks to hear back from the appeal committee with a decision. The appeal outcome will be emailed to you. You may check your appeal status on the student portal for any updates. You will be notified if the committee needs additional documents or if anything prevents your appeal from moving forward. If approved, what does that mean? Once your appeal is approved, you will continue receiving the financial aid you are eligible for. The committee will let you know if all current classes you are taking are approved, or if there are any restrictions on the approval that you need to follow. Please read and follow the instructions in the approval notification email. Check the tentative disbursement schedule posted on the financial aid website to see when the next disbursement is. If the appeal is denied, what does that mean? If your appeal is denied, you will no longer be eligible to receive financial aid such as the Pell Grant, student loans, and other grants. If it was determined that you are eligible for the California College Promise Grant, CCPG, fee waiver, the denial would not affect your eligibility. More questions and answers. If my appeal is approved, does that mean I am automatically approved the following semester? No. At the end of the semester, we will review your grades to ensure you've met the approval requirements. You will remain approved for the following semester if you meet the appeal approval requirements. If not met, you will be disqualified. If I appeal at Coastline, does the decision apply to Orange Coast College and Golden West College? No. The decision at Coastline will not apply to OCC and GWC. If you decide to receive financial aid from one of our sister colleges, you will need to reappeal with that school. How soon after my appeal is approved will I receive my financial aid money? If your appeal is approved, the financial aid disbursement typically goes out a week after your approval or on an upcoming scheduled refund date.